A clinical trial protocol is the most important document in a clinical study. It is a detailed written plan that explains exactly how a clinical trial will be designed, conducted, monitored, and analyzed. A clinical trial cannot begin without an approved protocol because it ensures scientific validity, participant safety, and regulatory compliance. The protocol acts as a blueprint for everyone involved in the study, including sponsors, investigators, clinical research staff, ethics committees, and regulatory authorities. It ensures that the trial is conducted in a consistent and standardized manner across all study sites, especially in multi-center and global trials. Every protocol begins with general information such as the study title, protocol number, version number, and date. Version control is critical because protocols may be amended during the course of the study. Any changes must be documented, approved, and communicated to all sites to prevent protocol deviations. The protocol clearly explains the background and rationale of the study. This section describes the disease being studied, existing treatments, and why the investigational product is being tested. It provides scientific justification for conducting the trial and helps reviewers understand the importance of the research. Study objectives are a key part of the protocol. Objectives are usually divided into primary, secondary, and exploratory objectives. The primary objective defines the main question the study is designed to answer. Secondary objectives provide additional information about efficacy, safety, or other outcomes. Clear objectives guide study design and data analysis. The study design section describes how the trial will be conducted. This includes whether the study is randomized or non-randomized, blinded or open label, and placebo-controlled or active-controlled. It also explains how participants will be assigned to treatment groups. A well-defined design reduces bias and increases the reliability of study results. The protocol defines the study population in detail through inclusion and exclusion criteria. Inclusion criteria describe who can participate in the study, while exclusion criteria describe who cannot. These criteria are designed to protect participant safety and ensure that the study population is appropriate for answering the research question. Treatment details are explained clearly in the protocol. This includes information about the investigational product, dosage, route of administration, frequency, and duration of treatment. Instructions for dose adjustments, missed doses, and discontinuation are also included. This ensures consistent treatment across all participants. Study procedures and assessments are described in detail. This section outlines all study visits, laboratory tests, imaging procedures, questionnaires, and safety evaluations. A schedule of events is often included to show what procedures occur at each visit. This helps investigators and study staff follow the protocol accurately. Safety monitoring is a critical component of the protocol. The protocol defines adverse events, serious adverse events, and how they must be reported. It also describes safety oversight measures such as stopping rules and data safety monitoring boards. Protecting participant safety is always the highest priority in clinical trials. The protocol also includes statistical considerations. This section explains how the sample size was determined, what statistical methods will be used to analyze the data, and how missing or incomplete data will be handled. A strong statistical plan ensures that study results are scientifically valid. Ethical considerations are clearly addressed in the protocol. This includes informed consent procedures, confidentiality of participant data, and compliance with ethical guidelines such as good clinical practice. Ethics committees review the protocol to ensure the rights, safety, and well-being of participants are protected. Finally, the protocol describes quality control and regulatory compliance measures. This includes monitoring plans, handling of protocol deviations, and document retention requirements. Regulatory authorities use the protocol as a reference during inspections and audits. In conclusion, the clinical trial protocol is the backbone of clinical research. It ensures that studies are conducted ethically, scientifically, and in compliance with regulations. Understanding clinical trial protocols is essential for anyone working in clinical research, clinical operations, regulatory affairs, or pharmacovigilance.